Hey Marauders, it's Wednesday, and you know what's terribly exciting about today is that I have a new camera! Today, August 8th, is Sneaky Zucchini Onto Your Neighbor's Porch Day. So was my video today, because we don't really have a theme. I'm gonna go sneak some zucchini on people's porches. I got zucchini and card labels, and I'm gonna do this super quick before I have to go to work. Alright guys, I think we are just about ready to go. Oh, I only have 4. I originally wanted one for like all of the neighborhood houses. Well that was my clock. I have 10 minutes to get to work. Okay, so let's do this super quick. The zucchinis have all been left. Success! Okay guys, there's a reason my hand is over the camera, because it has been several hours since I last saw you, and I went and got a haircut, so I look quite different than how I did this morning. You ready? You ready? Ready? Ah! Yeah, I never have straight hair. This might be the only time that you'll actually get to see me with straight hair. Pretty exciting. Anyway, a couple things to say before I go for the day is that Dallas, you have not done my challenge yet. If you want to recap, there's a link over here and in the doobly-doo for what you have to do, because, you know, we should hang out before I leave and before you leave. That is all I have to say. Have a lovely day, Marauders, and Kylie, I'll see you tomorrow.